Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are with another video. In this video we are going to discuss about foundation engineering previous year SSC JEE questions. We covered all the chapters of soil mechanics till consolidation of soil. Now we will discuss shallow foundation previous year questions in this video. So let us start the video without any further delay. So the first question will be displayed to you on the screen. According to question, for a number of columns constructed in a row, the type of foundation is provided, so it's strip foundation. So what is strip foundation? It is strip footing or foundation is used for number of columns in a row. ठीक है, so एक additional information will be displayed on screen for you as well, so you can pause the video and read all the information provided according to question. So it is about strip footing. Now अब मैं आपको एक एडिशनल बात बताने जा रहा हूँ. So the additional thing is that हमारी जो स्ट्रिप फूटिंग है वो आपको पिक्चर में आपको डिस्प्ले हो चुकी है कि स्ट्रिप फूटिंग कैसी दिखती है. ठीक है, तो अब क्या होता है, सपोज मेरी बहुत सारी कॉलम्स पे फूटिंग लगानी है. एक कॉलम, दो कॉलम, तीसरी कॉलम, कॉलम नंबर 4, कॉलम नंबर 5. These are the columns in a row. So we need to provide footing for individual column. So what happens, the situation, एक situation आ जाती है जहाँ पे footings start overlapping. The footing of column 1 overlap with column 2 and footing of column 2 overlap with footing of column 3. So in this situation what we do, we provide a strip footing for all the columns. Like, so this is column number 1, this is column number 2, column number 3, column number 4 and column number 5. So this footing is called a strip footing. So strip footing is used for number of columns in row, or we can use this footing in case of wall, in case of vertical wall to bear a load, right? तो ये था कंसेप्ट स्ट्रिप फूटिंग का. पिक्चर भी डिस्प्ले हुई आपको कि कैसी दिखती है स्ट्रिप फूटिंग. अब बात करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 विल बी डिस्प्ले टू यू ऑन द स्क्रीन. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, ए फाउंडेशन इज कॉल्ड शैलो इफ इट्स डेप्थ इज. नाउ देयर आर टू अप्रोचेस. फर्स्ट अप्रोच इज Terzaghis approach. According to Terzaghi, if depth of foundation divided by breadth of foundation is less or equivalent to is less than 1. If depth of foundation divided by breadth of foundation, the ratio of depth divided by breadth is less than 1, then this foundation is called a shallow foundation. Shallow foundation. ठीक है, बात समझ आए. According to Terzaghi. Now we will talk about according to Skempton. According to Skempton said, depth of footing divided by breadth of footing, if it is less than or equal to 2.5, then the foundation is called shallow foundation. Shallow foundation. तो सॉइल मैकेनिक्स में दो तीन अच्छे खासे साइंटिस्ट ने अच्छा खासा हाथ मारा है, अच्छा खासा काम किया है, जैसे टर्जिगी हुआ, मियरहॉफ हुआ, स्कैम्पटन हुआ. ठीक है, तो इन साइंटिस्टों ने क्या अच्छा खासा काम किया है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू टर्जिगी, इफ डेप्थ बाय ब्रेथ रेशियो इज लेस और इक्विवेलेंट टू 1, फुटिंग इज कॉल्ड शैलो. और अकॉर्डिंग टू स्कैम्पटन, इफ डेप्थ अपॉन ब्रेथ ratio is less than or equivalent to 2.5, then the foundation is called a shallow foundation. We have two type of foundation, shallow foundation and deep foundation. Now coming to next question, the question will be displayed to you on the screen. According to question, which of the following factors can affect the bearing capacity of soil? So I think the correct option is option D. All options are correct. That means there are other factors like water table. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एडिशनल बात ये है कि वाटर टेबल आल्सो affect on bearing capacity of soil. ठीक है, तो bearing capacity जो होती है in case of sandy soil, for sandy soil, if water table reaches 8 ground level, bearing capacity will reduce by 50%. ठीक है, तो ये बात रखना. So additional information will be displayed to you on the screen as well, so you can pause the video and read all the information. Now coming to next question will be displayed to you on the screen. According to question, black cotton soil is not suitable for foundation because of its swelling and shrinkage property. So black cotton soil swell when it comes contact with water. ठीक है, और when water dries the soil becomes soil starts shrinking. So swelling and shrinking property will destroy our structure, so we cannot use this soil, black cotton soil, for foundation. So in case of suppose we have black cotton soil, but we need to make our structure. So what we do, we use under remit piles, right? So under remit piles are used in case of black cotton soil. I will write here for you, under remit pile foundation is, or you can say under remit pile foundations are suitable for black cotton soil. ठीक है, so what is under remit pile? So then the picture will be displayed to you on the screen. वहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं. अब next question है, the next question will be displayed to you on the screen. According to question, depth of foundation is calculated by, so depth of foundation is calculated by the formula of Rankine, by Rankine's formula. So according to Rankine, depth of foundation is equivalent to QG. QG is a gross bearing capacity of soil divided by gamma, unit weight of soil, into 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi whole square. Here sin phi, this phi is angle of internal resistance of soil. ठीक है, phi. So coming to next question, the question will be displayed to you on the screen. According to question, which one of the following has least bearing capacity? So least bearing capacity is for loose soil, loose gravel have least bearing capacity because it's very loose, it's not compacted. And the second thing is it is gravel, so gravel have lot of voids between it is soil grains. ठीक है, तो इनके soil grains के बीच में बहुत सारे voids होते हैं. So the additional information will be displayed to you on the screen as well. So from the additional information you can consider that which one is very compacted. So first of all, igneous rock are very compacted and metamorphic, so the list goes on. Now coming to next question, a pellet load test is used to determine, first pellet load test is used to determine bearing capacity of foundation. Secondly, it is used for settlement of foundation as well. ठीक है, तो pellet load test is for bearing capacity, to find bearing capacity and to find settlement in soil. I hope guys this was some questions from foundation engineering chapter 1 shallow foundation. I hope you liked the video and you got the concept as well. So we'll be with awesome content in next video. Till then, you take care.